Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. Let's see what's inside. And you guys can get one today. Thank you guys for sending me this unit for review. Here we go, YouTubers. We made it through another year. Staying alive. Here we go. What we got inside here? Oh, everything's falling. Oh my god. Hold on. Alright, this is coming from Hagoogi. Hagoogi. Hagio. Add some little more lane in this. And we got something. That's for sure. Best wishes. Oh lordy. Alrighty. Let's see what's in the box. Bada boom. Ooh. Always check underneath. You never know what you might get. Got a couple of USB cables. We got a satchel bag, travel bag. Now that's empty. Best wishes. Ooh. Power bank hand warmer. Oh lordy. Definitely winter time is coming up. We're going to get our first snow like this weekend, I think. So these will come in handy. I don't like the snow, but I ain't moving. Oh, magnetic. Oh yeah, you could definitely hear that. Super strong. Look at that, that's pretty cool. Here's a USB. You can charge your phone while you keep your hands warm. Maybe do a brief workout, you know. Alright. These are really cool. The blue light is on. Click it. I think I got it to the mat one more. I think that's how you have it. Takes a few seconds to warm up. There it goes. I can feel it. These are really nice. Oh. There we go. I had to give it a second warm up and then it goes to red. Now I got them on max. I definitely could feel warmer. Okay. Oh yeah. These would be great for any drivers on the road doing your thing. And any like mail carriers, stuff like that. Any people working outside, ice fishing, you name it. This is a good one to get. This is really nice and warm. Oh yeah. It's good for arthritis also. Let's see, what does it say in the manual? It could be also good. You know, if you got bigger hands. But most people want, you know, each hand to stay warm. And you can charge it. It shows how to charge it. You can just plug it in. Bada boom, bada bing. Right there like that. All lights off. Flash power 30%, 34 to 66%. That's the second one. Max is max. Indicator lights color blue. USB. Storage bag. I call it a satchel. So you can do also gameplay. You can charge with that. So pretty much multi devices you can charge this thing up. See, low temp, red light, 3 lights, high temp. Uses a power bank, so you can use this, like I said, as a power bank also. So you could charge your phone, tablet, computer. Look at that. Or your light. Let me take this out. I definitely feel the difference. Plug this in here. USB style. And then charge my light for a second. There we go. It's charging. Really cool. See? Connected. And like I say, you can do your smartphone, tablet. If you're vlogging outside, nature watching, this would be a good thing to use. I don't know if deer hunting season come and go, but any kind of hunters out there. Oh, wow. This is really warm now. I could feel the heat. Yeah, buddy. So thank you guys for sending me this unit. YouTubers, hit the like, subscribe button. Be much appreciated. Until the next video, you guys be safe. Take it easy, okay? That's crazy though, this magnet. Alright, there we go. Bada boom. Oh, that's backwards. No matter, I guess. There we go. Big Bertha. That definitely is going to help through the winter. Alright, YouTubes. See ya.